he's just asked me if I want an ex-army Land Rover. Obviously I'd say yes, because it's a Land Rover, it's ex-army, like what more could a girl want, right? So 565 days ago, my dad decided to let me in on the idea he had for my 21st birthday present. Over the past year and a half, we've been adapting and changing various things so it'll be fit to work for what I would like to travel and do with it. I've learned many things from Andrew over these past year and a half. Hopefully I'll remember most of it when Dougal breaks down. No offence, Dad, but it still is a Land Rover. Over the course of the series, you've watched us change the engine, the gearbox, strip the paintwork, change the doors, and even endure a striptease from Graham, which I am still very sorry about.
Wow!
Dougal then went on his own adventure and came back with a completely different look. So I'm going to pass you over to Rhi, who's live on location, and she's going to show you what he looks like now.
Right, well, there's plenty of cars out today. We didn't think there would be, but anyway. They're getting slower and slower, driving past us because we're stuck here. On the roof there's a bloody truck now.
Oh shit, I'm falling.
Hey guys, we're live on location right now with Dougal, finished project right here. Hey.
I'm ashamed of you.
Okay. So, the colour is
bounce.
yellow! Three.
Hang on, let me
Two.
breathe in so I look better.
One. Look at him.
Dougal's so sexy.
Oh my god.